Hi, this is the Thornton Police Department. Can I help you?
I think they're trying to steal a car because they're
Okay.
over here.
Where? Tell me where it is exactly.
It's right next to 10310 Clivis Street. Yeah, it's right next door.
On the west side of Clivis.
Okay.
But like 10 minutes, I think they're kicking the door into that bar.
So they're trying to break into the bar?
Yeah, because I heard them kicking the door and they kicked it like 10 times like 20 minutes ago, and then they left. And then I just heard the car pull up and they got out and started kicking it again. I don't know, there's just, it's a black, I think it's a black or a brown, like a Scion or Honda Element, one of those box-looking cars.
Just right now.
Show your fucking hands! Show me your hands! You're under arrest! Show me your hands! Put your hands out to the side! Shots fired. Where are you shot at?
My back.
Okay, put your hands out to the side.
I'm done. I don't hurt anything.
Yeah, that way. Where? He ran that way.
I'm done.
Okay.
I don't got shit on me. Please.
Just stay right there. I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Do you have any other guns on you?
No, nothing. You got
Hey, help me cuff him. An Echo 10. I do have a GSW on one suspect. Hold on, man.
Glove up. You're good. Good, chill. Let me glove
Gun's right there.
Let me glove up.
You're good. I'm holding.
Slow traffic, road to drive. 325.
I crashed out.
Just right now.
Show your fucking hands! Show me your hands! You're under arrest! Show me your fucking hands! On the fucking ground!
face down on the ground now. Face down.
Hands out! Don't fucking move!
Put your hands behind your back now.